we will be making a rainbow rosette. So I'm going to start by preparing the buttercream. I've got a plastic bag and I'm going to use a number 2D piping nozzle, which I will push down into this bag as far down as I can, and I'll just trim the end. Then I will open up the bag, putting like a cup around my hand, and I've got some ready colored buttercream, so I'm going to put trying to push down the nozzle first. So I'm going to put a line of yellow and going for one of green, and then going to put one of pink. Okay, and then now I have to fill with some white buttercream or light color buttercream. I'm going to pipe that right in the center.
Foxy music.
Okay. So I've got this kind of nice rainbow type of
Foxy music
combination, and I'm going to go on top of my cupcake. I have to make sure that I'm twisting to create a good pressure on my bag. So as I said, I'm using the 2D nozzle. Nice good pressure. The end of the bag can be wrapped around my thumb, or it can be twisted and folded over, whatever feels more comfortable. And I'm going to go over the cupcake, going to put the blob in the center and describe the circle super tightly around that center dot. And I'll carry on adding the second layer if I consider necessary, then lower the pressure and pull that away. Okay, so just a quick movement again. So blob in the center and then a circle, describe following the the clock with 3, 6, 9, 12, lowering the pressure and pulling that away. Okay, so those will be my rainbow cupcakes. Now if I want to put a bit of foliage like leaves, then I can use 362 is a Wilton nozzle, and I can make some little leaves. And the same in here. I'll just put one more in here just to give them a bit more like a natural look. And here they are, just my pretty rainbow cupcakes.